Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video you're about to watch came from a longer stream. In fact, not only is it from a longer stream, but it's got one of the manufacturer reps in there with us. And so it's going to be a little bit different than our normal long form content, so we hope you enjoy.
So this is called my 320 rear den, 11,100 pounds dry.
11,100 pounds dry, guys. 320 RDS.
Okay, 3610 overall length. So again, about 6 foot shorter than most rear dens out there.
Okay.
But what's unique about it is the L-shaped sofa. There's nothing else out there quite like it. I'd love to take you inside.
We'll go inside. Yep, just a second. We're going to start outside again. There's a couple of neat things here. Again, you've got an awning that covers just from the front all the way to the rear slide there, because there's a rear slide here. Okay. This is also a 4-point electric leveling system. We've got a nice big storage, just kind of like we did on the last one. Okay. About the same there. All right. We're not going to go all the way around. We're kind of tight, but I mentioned we do have the slide out here. So I'll just show you that, and we'll at least try to get you to the back. There you go. 300-pound hitch on the back of this as well?
Accessory hitch, yes.
All right. Excellent. All right, well, let's go on inside. Actually, here, look at this. I love this. This is the first thing I noticed when we got here this morning. Look at this cool little railing, right? I mean, so many times there's just not a big enough or long enough railing. Look at that, guys. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Love it.
Let's go inside.
All right.
Oh, yeah. I just love this tire.
And I don't have any power quite yet. But this is that wow feature.
Look at this.
We fit every single thing we possibly could into a floor plan that's 36 foot, 10 inches.
Oh, okay.
Best seat in the house. Oh, yeah. You're not going to hurt that sofa. Right back there in the corner. That's it. Right there.
He's already kicked off his
I'm
shoes.
done.
Look how much space you still have in your
Y'all
chair.
have a good day. I'm done.
Sleep here.
You could. Look at that. All right. And look how much space you have.
My feet aren't even at the bottom.
Yes, yes,
Oh my
yes.
gosh, this is awesome.
So we're still setting
Big TV, it's down, but that's like a 50?
Yeah, it's actually 60.
60.
60-inch smart TV there. And again, we don't have power yet.
Yep,
There's
so
still
it's not
some power on something. The very first one we built was a 50-inch TV, and it just didn't look in this one. We had to go to a 60-inch TV.
Well, not just like all the big expansive windows, it probably looked tiny.
But yeah, 60-inch TV. One of my favorite things, and when you get to the kitchen, something that you really have to point out is when you start in that kitchen, there is no other trailer that I know of that has a full panoramic view of both sides and the rear end of your trailer. It has 9 windows.
We're going to do a 360. Look, this is what he's talking about. Look, windows here. And then when you get into the kitchen, window there, above the sofa. I'm going to go slow to try to not make you guys dizzy. Little side window there. Then the nice big window in the back. And then into the dinette, you got 3 windows there. So if you're out in the mountains somewhere, you're not missing anything on any side of the RV, anywhere. So as we sit on the sofa from this side of the sofa, again, I was over there, directly in front, a huge fireplace. That is absolutely amazing. For those who are watching our live stream on the ship, it reminds me of the one that was in that presidential suite that we got into. That was swanky. 60-inch, that's again, it's called the televator, right? The TV's right in this cabinet. You hit a button and it just rises up. So if you're not watching TV and you want to see the great views, you can, but you can also put it down or keep it up, whatever. Cabinetry above, right? And then there's all sorts of cabinetry down here as well. We'll just open one of them so you can see, right? There you go. And then the dinette, Lisa's sitting in the dinette.
This is awesome.
So I want to point one thing out while we're here. This is something for us larger guys that need a little bit of extra space to get in. There's no
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's
So,
awesome.
I do have some customers ask, well, why do you have the dinette here in the living room area? Well, every dinette is in the living room area. Right? I think of it more so like a breakfast nook, because you're sitting in this little nook with all these windows all the way around.
Right.
The unique feature of this is that L-shaped sofa and being able to have 2 theater seats. I don't know if
Right.
you noticed that.
Yeah, I did.
Theater seats. And
That pops and reclines,
correct.
and that pops and reclines.
In a large
And-
trifold sofa.
And this is a trifold.
Well, here's the unique part of this. To get theater seats and sofas to sit right and have that look. My engineer, he is awesome. He designed this with the theater seat sitting on top of a platform there, and the platform is sitting on top of rollers. This is all one large slide out. So when that slide out comes in, the whole thing comes in with it, right?
Brilliant.
Customers don't want to set up seats when they get into the trailer or when they
Right.
get to the campsite. They just want to hit some buttons.
Buttons in and come in.
That's exactly right. So this is set up the way it would be with the slides in or out.
Oh, that's awesome.
So to do that, we couldn't put the dinette over here, but I actually love the fact that that dinette's there. And if you slide it all the way over, I know people who use that as a desk, a little office space as well. And again, look at all these windows that you have in this area.
That's what.
If you're entertaining, this is perfect.
That's where we're streaming from, Lisa, right there.
Yes, I love it.
The rear dens give you separation from different rooms. This has 3 different zones of living. Your living room, your kitchen, which, by the way, the kitchen is the destination. You're not walking through your kitchen to get to your living room.
Correct.
It is in its own little destination area. I'll show you a couple other things, if that's all right.
Oh, let's do it.
So I have a 7 and 11-year-old, and I know we've got the bunks. I've already shown you 2 different bunk styles today. My family, we're movie watchers. We like watching movies all the time, and we love a big lounger, and that's exactly what this is. So this, I've got to adjust my legs here. I haven't got to that part yet. This has a big
Wow.
sofa as well.
Look at
So
that.
this is a huge, huge movie lounger. There'd be popcorn all over the place.
Okay, you can have the bedroom. I'm just going to stay out here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. And look how easy that is, guys. I mean, that's not complicated. It's just boom, done.
And storage is a big thing, so we maximize every single inch of storage that we possibly can. So even this is a
Look at
great
that.
spot for blankets,
And
pillows,
look,
sheets.
the camera's not showing. It literally goes let me see if I can get it down in there. It goes all the way back down in there. Look at that. It's really deep. Wow.
That's awesome.
All right. Look at this kitchen. Like he said, it's a destination. You're not walking through it. It's its own sort of separate space.
I do think this is solid surface.
This is. Now we're in my full-size series, which is going to give you a few extra things. A large 16 cubic foot refrigerator, which is still 12 volt. It's actually closed off. I haven't opened that up.
It's locked.
Gotcha, gotcha.
You get the residential microwave as well.
That is huge, guys.
One thing to point out, I've had customers ask, well, why does this sit lower? The reason is I wanted to give our customers more countertop space and still storage, but to be able to do that,
The slide has to come in.
so the slide can still.
Yeah.
Right. That is awesome. I love this. I mean, and it gives you so much more countertop space. This is
Excellent.
awesome. Yes, we do have the 3-burner stove.
Oh, look,
This is
the
all-
keys.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I just do that out loud? I was supposed to do that secretly.
So we do have the Furrion stove. This is a high point microwave.
Yeah.
With a Furrion refrigerator. Okay, I don't even know where to begin here. So I love this kitchen. So we have some storage space up here. We have some space there. Now, what would be underneath here is moved over here, so it's easily accessible. So we've got all these storage drawers. This is a nice big one at the bottom. We have some storage space there, and we have storage underneath the sink. And that goes all the way back
And I actually did put a door on this side too, so that you can get to that.
to those big bottles of water.
That's exactly.
I love it. I love it. And again, the sink is that 50-50 with
But the lower profile, yeah.
Yes, absolutely. So you can still
Great find.
Yeah, love that. Again, the refrigerator's locked, so we're not going to get into that.
Pantry.
Right.
All right. I know we stepped it up.
All right.
I know we stepped it up. We're going to try. All right, got to do it here too. Got to do it there too. But it's generous. Look, guys, it goes all the way up. It's a huge pantry. But I will say this. The shelves are not incredibly deep this way. And so I don't actually think you would have a problem in that particular cabinet because the shelves aren't very deep. It's only when cabinetry is where the shelves are pretty deep that you get the smiley. I don't think you would ever have a problem in that one, to be honest with you. Are any of those solid surface kitchen countertops? Yeah, Angela H, these are all solid surface.
And this
The other ones we were in, they were not. This one, it is. Okay? Your coffee bar, which, by the way, your coffee is going to be on the inverter, so you don't have to worry about it. Heaven forbid you start your day without your coffee. Right? Nice cabinetry up there. All right, let's go up to the front.
All right.
All right, so this is this bathroom is actually slightly bigger than the other one, at least in the layout. because I can almost recline on this toilet. Okay? So plenty of space for the tall people. Again, 6'4" if you didn't know. Drink. All right? Nice countertop in front here, just like the others. It's the same the vanity setup. Okay, it's the same in all the ones that we've looked at. That's the corner cabinet, 3 drawers. To my left, there's storage for linens and things. Above me, you got your octopus hooks, right? Okay, and then right across, of course, is your mirror. All of them, I'm going to be just the bridge of my nose, eyebrow area. So for height, you're going to have to just duck down a little bit. Shower, I'll climb in. This is just like the other one. It's still set up in travel mode, so I had to climb in the wrong way. Normally, you'd come in the other door. Same thing. The skylight, again, I call it a bubble, is in the back of the shower, not the front of the shower. So it's a little challenging, being my height, to get to the shower head. You just have to duck. It's not a bad thing. I've been in some showers that are way, way worse than this. But if that's a problem for you, then this might be something you want to walk in and check out, okay? Other than that, it's got the same bench like the other shower we were just in, and you've got your 3 little corner shelves, so really nice shower, okay? So let's walk up into the master. Oh, yeah, look at this, guys. It's going to be a little dark in here again. This one's not on power right now. We don't have the solar going either. Okay. Residential. This is a
70 by 80 king.
70 by 80 king. So an RV king. I was going to say it's a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So nice.
Notice you've got the CPAP shelves up there, and right behind those are inverted outlets as well.
It's hard for you to see in here. It's dark. It's okay. I won't be able to see from here. There's a power outlet right by my hand here, and it's on the inverter.
Got it.
So what's also nice is the CPAP is up high, and so it's out of the way. You're not bumping it or whatever, which allows you to have your space this way. So your sort of nightstands or CPAP shelves are up top. Okay? That's awesome. And then you have a nice front closet. Again, it's dark in here, guys. We apologize, but you've got a nice closet up there with your little hanging. And I love these little things instead of the rods. So if you're driving down the road, all your clothes don't end up this way.
That's something I'm starting to transition to in every floor plan
Yeah.
I can, because it does go all the way up to the ceiling. And you're right, it doesn't move around. Plus, you can hang longer.
Yep, absolutely. Yep, and got a power outlet in there.
A nice little shelf.
Yep.
And actually, I don't want to call it hidden storage, but I do have some storage in there underneath that cabinet, which I might have that back door.
It's locked, so there's a storage underneath there, guys.
But what I did on this one that's a little bit different, a lot of times when manufacturers they put a 50-50 door here.
Yeah.
I wanted to open this up, and I put a 3-door so it opens up even more.
Excellent, which, by the way, all mirrors, so if you're dressing.
You've got a nice shelf here for sweaters, shoes, what have you, and you can put your own cubbies down there, but nice
It'll open.
weird doors. That one's unlocked.
Oh, it is. It's locked from the inside. That's the hidden storage. And I'm assuming this is going to be a...
You can show that off.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. There's a little hidden storage. Excellent.
Nice.
And that can be additional storage and or your washer and dryer.
And you can put a stackable in there if you want to. Just, of course, you have to take that shelf out, but
Absolutely.
you can do that.
That's on our list. And then, of course, right across from here is your little dresser, 2 small drawers, and then the 2 big drawers.
So these are deep.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also, that's where your TV would go if you're mounting a TV up in here. All right.
And storage also underneath the bed here as well.
And that's pretty deep as well because the pedestal's a little bit higher.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, like that. Excellent. All right, so we have covered